up guys, my name is Helen. Today I'm going to show you how to unbox and assemble our portable outdoor pizza oven. Let's start.
Pizza ovens are one of our product lines, including both small outdoor ovens and large ovens. We have our own brand for the ovens and are looking for distributors globally. We can provide OEM and ODM services. Welcome to contact us for business discussions.
This is the pizza stove. Let's put inside the pizza oven. Now we start to install the gas burner. Now we have finished the gas tank, and so now you can use the curry or the gas. These two area in one pizza oven ready, one pizza oven time. This is the gas burner. You can use the curry to correct the gas tool.